FOSSmap is the online component of the Foss assessment system that allows students in grades 3 through 8 to take assessments online for Foss Next Generation Edition. FOSSmap is also available for some grades of previous editions. It allows teachers to analyze the test results in an easy and efficient way, provide feedback to students, plan next instructional steps, and report progress to parents or guardians. You access FOSSmap through your Foss web account. In order to use FOSSmap with your students, you'll need a class with individual student accounts. If you do not have a class and are a self-registered teacher, please see the Creating a Class with Individual Students or the Uploading a Student Roster tutorial videos on the Foss web walkthrough page. Teachers in rostered districts who do not have a class need to check with their district administrator. Once you have created your class with individual students, go to your teacher page. Click on the module for which you want to use FOSSmap. On the module detail page, find the FOSSmap link. It is always the last link in the Teaching the Modules section. At the top of the FOSSmap homepage, you'll see menu icons for reporting, online testing, data locker, and test utilities. The first thing you'll want to do is assign a test for students to take. To do this, click on the Online Testing icon, then select the Assign Online Test button. Your grade band will be selected by default. Select the subject area of the module you are using. In this case, Energy is a physical science module. Under Bank, select the name of the module you are using. And finally, select the test you wish to administer. To assign an interim assessment, one that tests NGSS performance expectations, go back to Subject Area and select Interim Assessment. Check that the correct assessment is selected under Bank, and then select the assessment you wish to administer from the Test drop-down. If you want your students to take a practice test, select Practice in the Subject Area. This allows students to become familiar with using the online test-taking interface. We highly encourage students to take a practice test first to become comfortable with the online testing interface. Whether you are assigning a practice test or a real assessment, you can preview the test. To do so, click on the blue Preview Test button and progress through the test as your students will. Your answers will not be saved. For a more detailed explanation of the question types and online test-taking tools, please see the Student Taking Assessments video on the Foss Web Walkthrough Videos page. Once you've previewed the test, you'll need to assign it to students. Most of the time, you'll leave the default selections as they are and will simply select your class from the drop-down menu, and then click the Assign button. This will assign the same test to the entire class. The next time your students log into FOSSweb, they will see their test assignment on the module page. Teachers who want to assign the same test to multiple classes should select the Group Assignment radio button. You will need to create a group of classes once, but then going forward, that group will always be available. To create a group, click the Add New Group button below the Options section. Type in a name for your group. Then select the schools, terms, and teachers. For most classroom teachers, there will only be one choice in these columns. Once you've selected the teacher, a list of classes will appear. Find the ones you want to add to the group and click on the checkbox. Once you've added all the classes, click the Add Classes button below. Click on the name of the class and then the Remove button if you want to remove a class from the group. If the classes shown in the Classes in Group column are correct, click the Continue button. After you click Continue, the Assign Online Test page will reload with your group displayed at the bottom. Click on it, then click the Assign button to assign the test to that group. For information on more advanced assessment settings and accommodations, please see the Online Assessment Accommodations tutorial video on the Foss Web Walkthrough Videos page. You can also find the Students Taking Assessments, Coding, and Reporting walkthrough videos here. For more help using FOSSmap, please see our help pages, or contact us using the form on our Contact Us page.